Listen, I've been thinking.
Yeah, you should be doing that. What do you think about this time?
Listen, look at these products. This one is certified.
Yeah.
Boom, slap a mark on it here. But what about these 10,000s I make after that? How does anybody know that these are safe? What if this one decides to go rogue and start a rebellion?
The toaster rebellion?
The smart toasters.
That's a plot twist no one saw coming.
Okay, but seriously, but this one is a troublemaker.
Yeah, but that's where product control and factory inspection comes in.
Factory inspection, like somebody's running around in my factory with some clipboard and taking notes?
Yeah, sort of. So it's not just about testing one product. It's about making sure that every single product that you're making is like the tested one.
Every product, but I can't be testing all these products.
No, you don't have to. So the same people who tested your product, they will also come by and look at your factory to make sure that you're not making any sneaky changes to the other product.
Making a change. Why don't they just trust me?
Seriously, trust you?
Fair point.
That's why they do regular factory inspections. So someone will drop by and make sure you're not cutting any corners, like swapping cardboard for fireproof materials.
I would never do that. Still, it would be cheaper.
Don't even think about it.
But, okay. But how often do they come and test this and this? Like every day, every week, every month? Do they need their own office in the factory floor?
And typically it's once a year, unless they expect you're getting a little bit too creative.
So basically, I need to make sure that every single toaster is built the same way as the first one.
Exactly. Just like baking cookies, for instance. You would follow their recipe to ensure that every cookie comes out the same.
Okay, sure. They can come inspect my products.
Make sure they don't spark like your toaster did.
Those are friendly sparks.